Okay, at this point, we have a program to tell our motors to stay still, but it's time to actually connect them. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your servos and you're going to plug them into the connectors for pin 13 and pin 12, and then you're going to take your battery pack and you're going to put in your AA batteries and plug it into this jack down here. Be careful to make sure that you align the black and the red per the marking on the BOE shield. You can plug these in backwards and you'll blow up the servos, or you'll damage the servos or damage your board if you plug them in backwards. So just make sure to follow that. When you first take these out of the box, they're a little tight, so you kind of got to push on them a little bit to get them to pop all the way down. But go ahead and plug those in. And the way that this works is that each servo gets a +5 on the red, a ground on the black, and then it's got a control line on the white. And the way that the BOE shield is wired, pin 13 is going to be where you send the control down the white for this servo, and then pin 12 is going to be connected to the white wire right there. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and you just leave them out on your bench. You don't have to connect anything together. What we want to do is just get them out here, and the first thing we want to do is mess around with actually with calibrating it and see what happens. Okay, all right, so go ahead and pause it and connect those up.